We have a line of showers moving in from south to north that looks like it'll cross the I-20 corridor here in about the next 30 minutes to an hour and a half. So we're going to be watching this here as these showers move in. As of right now, we haven't had any severe thunderstorm warnings here over the past couple of hours. But that doesn't mean we're out of the woods just yet with that overall threat, because I will be tracking that potential for severe storms between now and later tonight, primarily watching out for the risk of heavy rain and flooding rainfall. Here's an updated look at our first alert storm zones. The highest potential for severe weather will be in this level 2 zone off to our south. And this is where we've seen multiple showers and storms. We have a flood advisory in effect off to the west. That's the only flood advisory we have here across North Texas because of the heavy rainfall we saw late last night into early this morning. So I mentioned that we have some showers moving in from the south. You can see that those showers are slowly starting to knock on the door here, moving into both Tarrant and Dallas counties. You can see that we had a little bit of light, but you can see we still have a layer of stable conditions here across the Metroplex. That's why these showers that are moving up from the north, you see lost intensity here over the past couple of radar scans. But to the south, there is still a very healthy storm moving in. Now, overall, the characteristics are going to be just for heavy rainfall and some frequent lightning, not really tracking much of a supercell. So that's some good news. We'll get some good old-fashioned rainfall here, possibly a flooding potential here, depending on how slow these storms move. And then on down the line, the trailing edge of these showers, we're starting to see some weakening down here as well. So we'll be watching that very closely. But yes, zooming back out, you can see that these showers are slowly moving from southwest to northeast. So they will be working their way across the I-20 corridor here as we head throughout the next couple of hours. Future track radar is showing 5 to 6. Now between 6, the storms will stay well to the south of I-20, and then look at how they pretty much park themselves between 6 to 8 p.m. By about 8 o'clock, right around sunset, that's when it looks like the storms are going to be crossing the I-20 corridor. But once again, look how slow these storms are moving. This is why I'm bumping up that risk for flash flooding, because anytime you get heavy rain moving this slow, that just allows all that rain to just fall over the same areas, and that's what allows those rain gauges to just top off here as we head throughout this evening and tonight. Stopping the clock here at midnight, that's when it looks like we're going to start to see most of the heavy showers here across I-35 continue to work their way off to the east. Now, there will be some trailing showers here as we head into the early morning hours Monday, but overall just cloudy skies, some sporadic scattered showers, not really tracking much of a storm threat here for your early Monday morning, but overall cloudy skies and some breezy conditions. But it looks like the highest potential for severe weather will be between now and about 9 to 10 p.m. That's when it looks like we'll see that highest potential of severe weather. And once again, like I said earlier, this is a very difficult forecast depending on where we see some of the heaviest bands of rainfall. As of right now, it looks like most of the heavy rain will stay off to the south and then move off to the east. Here for DFW, doesn't really look like we're going to see a whole lot of rain. About a trace to a 1/10 of an inch, which is what we saw this morning, will be possible here as we head into this evening. So we will be watching this very closely here as we go forward. But I also want to point out that today's not going to be the only day that I'm tracking that risk of severe weather. As we look at your extended forecast, take a look at this. Some lingering shower and storm chances possible Monday into Tuesday. Not really tracking any organized severe threat. However, as we head into Wednesday, we have a brand new first alert weather day in effect because of the threat of severe weather there by midweek. After that, we'll see a break in the action Thursday, Friday, but look at that cold front sweeping through as we head into the weekend. Saturday afternoon into Sunday morning, we're going to see temperatures going from the mid-80s on Friday to the low 70s on Sunday. And you're up to date with the latest first alert forecast.